Hey guys, so my steering bellows came in, so tonight gonna try to put them on. It's not a big job, but I do have to actually remove the tie rods, so yeah, there's that. Alright, well, there it is, guys. That's what I need to replace. As you can see, yeah, it's pretty much gone. That one over there actually looks pretty good. Huh, maybe I only need one. Okay, well, I'll have a closer look at that after, but this one's definitely got to get changed out. Okay, so the only way to get the new one on is I gotta disconnect the tie rod here. But doing that, I gotta be careful that I don't misalign the alignments. So I'm gonna clean this up and then mark it off to make sure I get it back in the same spot, because I'm gonna have to remove the entire arm off there to slide the boot on, or bellow on the control arm. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, I got this side out, so let's have a look at it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Sorry for the old man noises, guys, but I'm an old man. So, here you go. And by the looks of it, with that extra hose there that goes between the two, I got the right one, I believe, because I was wondering what that extra little notch on the boot was, but I believe it's for that there. Okay, so clean it up a bit and put the new one on. So there's the old, and there's the new. Okay, I got them both done. Passenger side was a bit of a pain in the ass to get the tie rod off, but I hope I don't have trouble putting it back on. Okay, looks much better. Let's get some light. There you go. And there's that one. I'd like to eventually clean up under here because it's pretty dirty, but all solid, thank God. Okay, that's it for tonight, guys. Got the bellows in. Probably gonna need an alignment because I don't think I lined it up perfect again, but that's okay because I still didn't get the pan hard bar straightened out because I couldn't get the one side done. So when I take it in, I'm gonna get them to line everything up, pan hard bar, and realign the front end. So no big deal. but I got the bellows in, so all good. Hope everyone's having a good night, and see you guys soon.